Hello, welcome to Sonic Solutions. Today I'm going to show you a little bit of a weekend job we've had to do for a customer that's had a disaster. This customer extrudes plastic to make pipework for the construction industry. And they've had a bit of a problem where some kind of failure, the plastic has got into places it shouldn't have done, and it's covered all the sensors and electrical work and rendered it completely useless. It's not an easy fix because this thing weighs nearly 2 tons and there's about 100 kilos of plastic material to get rid of. So their usual tactic of just kind of scraping it off or reheating the actual barrel and kind of using the heat of the machine to get rid of the plastic is not going to work this time. So they gave us a call, said, can you help us out? And we have done. The process was to get it in our big oven, get it burnt off, get all the material jet washed out, ready to return. These guys are going to take everything apart, replace all the electrical work inside and get this thing up and running. But they asked us to do a quick turnaround on a weekend and we've done it for them. It's not something that we do all the time, but if a customer needs it, we'll be there for them. And that's the aim of this message. We'll be there for you if you need it. Thank you very much for watching. See you again.